Are you ready to build wealth through diversified investments? Avoid high fees and limited options with our comprehensive financial strategy. With access to over 50 financial companies, maximize your returns today. No more being locked into one company's products or paying excessive advisor fees. The Rule of 72 shows your money could double every 7.2 years at 10% returns. Imagine turning $10,000 into $640,000 by retirement without adding another dollar. Most advisors are limited to their employer's products, but we work for you. Gain access to diverse growth strategies across tax-advantaged structures. Our approach combines tax strategies to protect your wealth and maximize growth. Discover what traditional advisors may not want you to know. Click the link below for personalized financial education and secure your family's future.